All right, I have to say that I'm freaking thrilled. I got the green screen working. I got the picture in the background. My sound is a little off. Need to figure that out. But now I got some. I don't have to look at weird stuff in the background. I can put up any background I want. I am really pleased about this. Well, I have to tell you, the box arrived beat up. Either it was, I think it was a combination of UPS and it was packed incorrectly. So I called the company and told them about their packing people need some remedial training, as far as that'll go. But anyway, it came in and it's a little bit damaged, but as you can see, it's going to work. So I got the paint and I'm starting to paint the office. I put a little piece up there to see how it turned out. And it looks like I do have to put the primer on for it to get the proper reflection. So that's something to learn. I did call the Rosco, talk to the person again, and they said that's about right. Don't use the black, use the white primer, which is what I'm using. And to get over this color, it looks like I'm gonna have to do 2 coats of the primer. All right, I got the primer done. I think it's doing pretty good. I'll fix the edges here later on, but that's the primer. So about ready to let that dry, and then we'll put on the Chroma key green. All right, well, I got the first coat started, and then you can see that it's kind of some spots that are kind of open. So I'm going to complete that, see how it looks like after it dries, and see if there's any empty spots to address at that time. All right, well, I got the first coat completed, and you can see there's still some open spots, thin. So I'm going to have to complete that and go over it with the second coat and just fine tune it a little bit. Plenty of paint left over, so not an issue at all. All right, you can see I got the wall finished, 3 coats, and it is completely done. There are no thin spots. I do have some minor fixes at the bottom. I have to do some holes. That's not a big deal. I got plenty left over. It only took about maybe a quarter of the 1-gallon container to do this whole wall, which I was amazed. I thought it was going to take a lot more. I thought it was going to be a lot thicker. That's why it probably took three applications. When I'm all done, I'll have baseboards, crown molding, kind of fix the edges that kind of nicked and painted. That's pretty normal holiday kind of stuff. So I'm pretty happy. It's worked out really well, incredibly easy. I like it better than having a curtain hanging down here. That's always going to wobble, get dirty. If this gets scuffed or something, I'll have to just come back over and paint it over again. So that's just the way to go. All right, hey, we're back. Got the final product here. You can see the lighting is really good, no shadows. I have the lights over to the side. I'll take some pictures of those, throw them in. I will have some links down below, the equipment that I used, the paint that I used, where you can go get it. So if you have any questions on stuff, just let me know. I'll give you the process. It wasn't that hard. A little bit of prep, a little bit of study. Just taking my time to get it done, and it really worked good. Most of the items I had were very cheap and free. So